promise was made. I will protect you.
The real monsters! Step aside, girl. That beast's head is ours.
Then you will have to go through me.
Run! Get back, quickly.
Let's visit straightly to our AI website. I will give the link in description. It's completely free to start. Come with my link and sign up at first. For easy login, you can use your Google account. After come to this dashboard, you need to give an idea to start make your short film. I am going to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to write a 3-minute movie script related to Dragon Hunt. You will give your idea as per your requirement. ChatGPT will provide you complete video script. Review the script and copy that movie script. And paste the script into our AI website's prompt box. And click Start button, and AI will start analyzing movie script and generating movie characters, movie scene, voiceover, background music, everything to make a complete movie according to your script. This process may take 3 to 5 minutes. You need not to do anything. AI will automatically complete everything and provide you a complete FLM. This is the easiest way to make full short film. Without any effort with AI, our movie is ready. Let's see it.
It was a long hunt. A promise I had to keep. I didn't come here for glory, or for treasure. I came for closure. I am not here to fight you. They took everything from you. I was just too late to save it. I am so sorry. But I could stop them from coming back.
The real monsters! Step aside, girl. That beast's head is ours.
Then you will have to go through me.
Run! Get back, quickly.
A life for a life. A new promise was made. I will protect you. Always.